Hello, welcome to my channel. In this class, we are discussing about verb and kinds of verbs. In the previous classes, we have discussed about adjectives, rules of adjectives and kinds of adjectives and correct use of adjectives. Here see, what is verb? A verb is a word that expresses action or a fact. For example, study, eating, reading, running, etc. Below that, examples are given in the sentences. John had his food. Roy can swim. Did you finish your work? Wood floats on a water. Here, underlined words are verbs. Let us see what verb which belongs to what kind of verb. Now let us see kinds of verbs. What are the kinds of verbs? Verbs can be divided into three classes. What are the three classes? Auxiliary verbs, ordinary verbs and verbs of incomplete predictions. Let us discuss about first kind of verb, that is auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb? These verbs that help the principal verbs to form their tenses, voices, moods or negative sentences. For example, does, had, am, were, did, etc. Types of auxiliary verbs, that is chief or primary verbs, modal verbs. Now we will see chief or primary verbs. What is chief or primary verbs? Verbs that can be used as a main or finite verbs. For example, does, had, am, were, did, etc. Now we will see some more examples for the chief or a primary verbs. She does her work. I am a teacher. They were singing. You did my work. Here, underlined words are chief or a primary verbs. Those are finite or a main verbs. Now we will discuss modal verb, that is second kind of auxiliary verb. Verbs can be used invariably as helping verbs. For example, you have eaten food. We should do our duty. We need to help our friends. It may rain today. We ought to serve our parents. Here, underlined words are modal verbs. Remember that modal verbs cannot be used alone. It always used with the finite verbs or primary verbs. Now let us discuss about ordinary verbs. Ordinary verbs are divided into two parts. What are the two kinds of ordinary verbs? Finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Now let us discuss what is finite verbs. These verbs change their forms according to the persons, number and tense of the subjects. For example, I play football. He plays football professionally. They were playing football yesterday evening. Here, the word play is changing their form according to the person, number and tense. Now see kinds of finite verbs. Transitive verb. Transitive verbs are followed by an object. Remember that depends on the usage of the verbs in a sentence. For example, Sharada gave me a cake. I like books. Mohit recited a poem. Jia bought a car. Here, the words before the objects like a cake, book, poem, a car. Here, underlined words are transitive verbs. Sometimes, transitive verbs are followed by two objects, like in a first example, me and a cake. Now we will see intransitive verbs. What are intransitive verbs? Intransitive verbs, no objects are needed after these verbs. Depends on the usage of the verb in the sentence. Now we will see examples for the intransitive verbs. The car runs fast, the glass breaks, the ice melts, the tree fell, birds fly. Here observe the examples. There is no object after the verb, that is runs, breaks, melts, fell, fly. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.